So here is the back panel for the JL two-door. I'm going to show you how to put it in. What I always suggest is, these are a little bit tight getting in at first, so you want to like dry fit it. Before I pull the tape off, I'm going to show you how it goes in, and then we're going to pull the tape off and actually put it in. So it kind of goes in easiest to angle right here. There's a little ridge that sits up in there that it's going to hit on, right? Right there. If you just push it, it'll just go right past it and then twist it in place. And get up in here like that. And you can see it's going to fit in perfectly. So pull it out. Okay. So this front edge right here is going to ride right along the edge where it's going to go, is where you want it. You're going to just slide right in. See, you hear it hit that spot? If you just push, it'll just go right past it. All you got to do is look at the center, make sure that you can feel over here that it's sitting in the right spot. These are pretty impossible to put in wrong because they fit in so snugly. Then you're going to take the little square. Your square is going to look a little different. It's not going to have padding on it like this. The easiest way is to lay down on your side. Just push up, firmly hold for a second. And do each over the top of each tape section. A good thing to do is take blue painter's tape and put it right on the face of this, right over the top of where the tape is, so you know exactly where to push up. Can you see this side here? So if you push up in the middle, the tape's going to hit about right here. And if you push up right here on the panel, it's not doing any good. In fact, it's flexing it sideways, so only the edge of the tape's hitting. So you want to push up right over the top of the tape. And what we always do, we install it in the shop, and then we put the Jeep in the sun for about 10 minutes. It warms the tape up and softens it up, and then we push up again. And that way it'll ensure that that tape, which is a little hard, conforms to the slight texture of this top and gets good adhesion. That's it.